Yes.
Ayan, sabi ni teacher, say, nag-answer ka sa question ni teacher.
Yes.
Ayan, sabi siya, very good.
Yes.
Ayun, ang galing. Kaya no tantrums. Pag ikay nag-tantrums at nag-try ka, yung ginawa mo kaninang morning, lalabas ang madami litipis na ito ay mag-try. Nag-tantrums ka kanina, maglabasan ang ipis. Kaya no more ha.
Okay.
Bukas tayo dun ay kay teacher mo kanina.
I need to go. What time of going home tomorrow?
11.
Yes. 11?
Yeah, 11.
Do you go home at 11?